Hey, yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Shaba. We're back again with another video on the Blueprint series.
Like and subscribe!
I'm a hot manager. Yeah, so as you can see with the smiles, the trial and error that we've been working on, the sleepless nights that I've been having are finally coming to an end.
Arrobale! Blowing up my phone.
Grootman Treasure, but I'm trying to take an intro here. Yeah, so Rosie, we are now finalizing Rosie's fuel line issue, and Grootman Treasure did something with the cooler replacement.
Rosie, yes, says.
No, he's actually referring to his car, not my car today. Yeah, I'll show you guys. I'll show you. So yeah, we'll be finishing up the few lines today. I'll quickly show you what the plan we did for the cooler, the replacement of the cooler, because we've discovered that we are missing some fuel line coolers, so they've been deleted. So I'll show you everything, but yeah, I'm sorry about this introduction, it's something different, and we're just happy that we are finally going to start Rosie today. So that's the excitement behind. So yeah, let me quickly show you what the scenes are behind, and then yeah, I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. Shout out. Just wanted to give you a quick update on Rosie. So yeah, Grootman Treasure came through for day 2. He pulled through, and Rosie is looking much better at the moment.
So yeah, Shabalicious, yabo ngifakile la vele bebayigobile iplayer piece le beyiphukile. Hayi, beka lapha emotweni sofa. Le ngena la beyiphukile. La bebazigobile vele bazifaka ama cable tie, yabo. Bayigobe ukuthi ingasa yenze, but then you get vapor leaks anyway. So last ifakile that one pipe. This is your feed line ehamba yale move. That's fine. This is your return. Now your return and your other return mahlangana la. The two I'm missing something here. Need to check what it is. I don't know what it is, but I am missing something here. Athola yona ngayifaka. That's till it easily start. So yeah,
as you can see, those are the new lines fitted, and we face the header Bafetu. So as you can see, something is missing here, Bafetu. You see there's a clip here, there's another one here, but something is missing here, Bafetu, and it was deleted by the previous owner. What are we missing? We are missing a fuel cooler, a fuel return cooler, Bafetu. It's a silver thing that Bloms here puts you connect it here so that it can cool the fuel from the returner and then goes back to the tank. So the previous owner, like I said, this was a stance car from the get-go. Before I even purchased it, they deleted the cooler. And what was the reason why they deleted the cooler? It's because you cannot find it in South Africa anymore. You have to order it from Germany via the dealership, and it is super pricey, Bafetu. But yeah, Grootman Treasure, as you know, Grootman Laga Bafetu always make sure that I fix things to the standard, but at a very reliable, at a very affordable price. So he decided to say, okay, Shabzin, it's fine if you have the budget to buy the cooler, you can buy it, but he doesn't advise me to buy the cooler because it's quite expensive, and if I buy another cooler, that means that I'm chowing budget from the air suspension budget. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna continue what the previous owner did. We're gonna make a plan by bridging it somehow there. Grootman Treasure is already doing it on his side. He showed me a picture of how it looks currently, and I'm happy with how it's gonna look. So that the reason we're doing that is because of if we add in a cooler, it's gonna get damaged again because the car is very low at the current stage, you know what I mean, Bafetu. But yeah, just wanted to give you an update on Rosie. She's getting there, Bafetu. We are almost done. Few lines are in. We're just left with the DIY connector by the returner there so that we can connect it and then pour diesel, and then the car is ready to go. Thank you so much for staying in tune. Shout out.
The next day.
Just a quick update. Quickly going now to go get some diesel because Grootman Treasure says he is on the way. So I just want him to at least get some 5 liters of diesel. And then obviously we'll be using Snowy at the moment. The reason we're using Snowy is because she's been parked for a long time, so just want to warm her up and also fill her up a bit so that whenever I want to take a drive with her, she has some fuel. So yeah, stay tuned as I'm about to go to the fueling station. Shout out. Yeah, sister. Sharp. Look, we're gonna need it. Yeah, I read 9300 rand. And then you don't sell it easy. Yes, the container illegal. Yeah, 9300. The sharp angele. Sharp angele. Sharp, yeah, angele.
We're not ready to
I want to put on one and show me.
yeah, one again. We drop.
It's all fresh.
It is fresh. Which money guy when they fresh come?
Yeah, cookie too.
Yeah. So I fresh.
It's better than you.
I'll give it to sky drop. Sky drop.
So put your patella for you.
Auto patella. Like a road.
It's a surprise. It's a once.
Yeah, Maruto is like a half.
It's a sharp. And then this is a couple of 5 feet. Thank you, man. No.
Yeah.
Thanks, man. Sharp. Yeah, it's all come cool. Hey, Rafich. Petrol is expensive, eh? Petrol is expensive, yo. But yeah, from an engine, Rafich. So, I'm home. Diesel already bought, and then as you can see, Njabulu is checking the car. You know, he's the one who does valet. So,
Njabulu ufuna ukuchayisa le moto wakhombe. Ngabona uNjabulu wenze akayeza amavale. I-demolition team.
Yeah, so and this car is just from dent removal, paintless dent removal.
Mangicela uNjabulu yenza
Aish bafethi.
Namanje mawabheka ithes ufuna ubonga ukuthi ngiyachayisa ka left or ka right. Ufuna uyidla na ingabi
Fajo has our plan that we made for the fuel line bafethi.
So diesel cooler return is out of country.
It's out of the country. Yeah, guys, we can only get it from Germany, and it's a 5 to 6 weeks turnaround time, which is something that we can't wait for now. And also the car is low and we don't have air suspension, so deleting the cooler was a safe way for the previous owner, so we're gonna do the same thing for now, Bafetu. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, Bafetu. Stay tuned. Oh, nje kufuneka idizi. Khana ngiyobhaya manje.
Can you buy diesel?
Ngiyadla.
Wena mose ngibona islipso senje. Morufika wabhadala wahamba.
Yeah, deposit. Eze yabuya phela lapha ku fuel station manje. Sokushaya ama deposit.
tank yakho malini? Full tank ya Paul, ka petrol is 1.6.
I am 2.3.
From 1.2 so 1.6.
It's 2.3 fucking.
Kaba. Yokhuphu.
Ifanele. Fanele so yenza ngelento ngesigubhu asina choice.
Fatha uyafuna ukuzibulala la sifake imilo yakhe manje ufundoza phambili.
Oh.
Isigubhu. Ramtshela isigubhu. Ngitfatha. Yasibona lesigubhu sinja. Ngiyayibona lento.
Mara mo
Le tax.
Ile.
Sivelele la.
Okay, fajunga ngakho kungibophela ngarane. Yeah, positive. Yeah.
Fatha. Sure. Faka umno wakho la umunye. Umtshela uthi uzwana.
Kalilo. Kala semuri.
Basi uzobhonyela waya baba futhi.
Hi, but man, hey.
Shaba khuza.
Sure.
Why?
Bokhalangan Fatma.
No, ngenini.
No. Oh, kwenye ni ama big boned, ne? Yo, one kick. Yo, one kick.
Fatha. Ngena ngapha sponsor.
Amanzi we EG we.
Le phambili.
Bana phambili.
Ngisho our lights. Awusuka la.
Hey, yali. Yeah. Eh, no buy.
Locked.
Trillion gone Buffett.
Pants.
Yeah. Locked. Yeah. Start.
Hey. Aí vai. Ah, é? Do not drop. It's just drops.
One drop there. Yeah.
Oh, ile ya, né? Ile ya cara.
Nasiqeda ukuyisika sivula imbobo izobamba ngale nanga ukuthi izobambela le pipe phezulu. Yeah, lingali mayiloku ihamba noma angisho kwesinye isikhathi mayihamba izoloku ifaka kancane yogcina idlala iplastic. Then back to school
futhi.
Yeah. Ngicela usigale sasikela. Uzosikela. Sisike. Malisikela. Ngene ubuye usikela iphume la. Ngavele le cover yabona ikakini.
Ah, vela Fatma.
Yeah, sikela. Noma ngakayinjabula ngisho ukujwayela ukusika insami ngicini.
Mboli last beya crash manje. The side cut.
Yonke into angathi sharp.
Awuzolimala baba, ube careful baba.
God.
Yatsiphi lento leyani.
Kuphithi bo.
Yilila ngiside cutter so ifake face fluid.
Ngiyatshela ngishaya ngisikile.
Lamazola bathi wa. Ayitawasho umuntu ephilile mase duchayezi. Imoto yakuxolela ikisi wena umkhetha ukuyimoto. Ngoba la.
Bangenele. Asibona sonke le crash list.
Izala mazola bathi la.
Le
Ngiyagula le moto ayinasikaba.
Ngifike yinde ngayishap khona plastic guy.
Ni-plastic lakhona.
Ngithinte ngesandla.
Ma lo pressure ngam.
Ayisho leso.
Pressure ngawo. Ya, so spanisa leyo part. Leyo isike le.
Kambe na around ne.
Guys, spacing yana kancane. Ukuthi makuthi.
Emakhaya mabakakha bamasoya yabona le we continue. No abekali elipo.
Chokora nganaithele.
Phela kuhlula lo please. Ngokuyazi.
Yabona chikho.
Akayikhulumi.
Angifuni ukukhuluma le. Uvela ngiceda amandla angazi ngithini. Yawazi phela masemkhalile. Ngihlekisa ngama viewers kaShaba.
For the pirates.
Ola.
Yeah, yabona man. Chale. Lala phezulu ngiyibonisa.
You said I should stick with you. You made me famous.
Bengisamele wena uye.
Famous. Little by little.
Yeah.
Anishayile. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I think that's the reason why that aluminium one got fucked at the first time.
Yeah.
It's because nidlala dla.
Leya cover leya idlekile.
Yeah.
So
Beyidlala dla.
so yabo siyenza plan ama sesingayehlisa done. You start ubeke la.
Eu tô na chale. Essa coisa que show.
Aiko.
I don't want to make this so. Make it by apply. But I'm going to choose a mahambo.
Ish.
I'm going to choose a mahambo.
Yeah, yabona yeah.
What am I so?
Hey Joe, bags and keys. Fabel gramo boy. Anethu yazi ukuthi siyayenza stick and chop. Mara yi.